Well, the difference in how I was investing, and right now still am investing, listened to somebody who told me you got to diversify. And diversified too much, couldn't keep up with it, and then recognizing that I was being ruled by the markets, not by how I was investing, and becoming quite frustrated with that, to be honest. And understanding what it is that I'm investing, and what each stock that I purchased, when I purchased it, I researched it. There was a reason I bought it, but then I couldn't keep up with it because I had too many. The favorite thing about the workshop, I'm going to say, is the eureka moment. Read the book, listen to things that Phil has put on YouTube, and then saying he talks the talk, does he walk the walk? And this morning here that Phil's portfolio is about 8 stocks was an eye-opener and an understanding that you stick with that method and you keep up with it and you understand what you bought. And that has been a eureka moment.